Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix can't hear people on Discord. So the first step you simply need to follow is to open Discord. So let me open Discord first. Okay, click on that. So once Discord is open, you simply need to click on U in the bottom and click on the gear icon on the top. And here you need to check the voice. Make sure that your input and output devices are correct and set. Once you check that, you need to go back and open Play Store and search for the Discord. And if your Discord need any update, you need to update your Discord application. And in the next step, you simply need to search for the Discord. Go into the app info and click on permissions and make sure you allow microphone permission here like this. And after completing all these steps, your issue got resolved. So this is the process. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.